welcome to Vlogmas day 10. So today is Sunday, and what do they say about Sunday? I don't know, but it's cleaning day, Sunday cleaning. So today we are going to be decluttering my room. Whoa, I just had the craziest deja vu. We're gonna be doing some decluttering because, as you can see, my room is a little cluttered. So we're gonna tackle my desk area first. Also, my outfit is giving holiday. I put a red ribbon in my hair too. I just wanted to give a holiday vibe. I need to clean my room because let me roll up my sleeves. I need to declutter because I feel like having so much stuff, it like makes me, I don't know, it makes me anxious. I need to throw out a lot of things because I also have things that I never ever use. So I'm gonna go get some trash bag and a trash can. A trash bag and a trash can. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my paint by numbers. I have no idea where to put it. I tried to put it somewhere else, but it did not work. So I'm just gonna put it over here for now. And then when I fix this area, then we can figure out where to find a place for that. Okay, so my desk is cleaner. But I was just shoving everything into my drawer. So I think this decluttering process needs to be reevaluated. Let's go ahead and start with like decluttering a desk. Let's go ahead and start with this drawer. This drawer here has so much stuff. It has like all my Halloween costumes in here. One, just a bunch of stuff. So we need to take care of that. Wish I had a vacuum so I could vacuum this, but it's all gone. There's a lot of stuff. This is all the stuff I took out from that drawer and some over here. So I need to throw out a lot of that stuff that's there because I've not used it or needed it at all. Like there were a couple mics. Like when am I gonna use a mic that doesn't work? Makes no sense to me. This is all the stuff that came out of that drawer. So I'm gonna go through it. This is my Freddy Krueger Halloween costume. I'm gonna just keep that in the Halloween pile. Who knows, maybe I need to reuse it one day. This is a green corset. Oh, this is a skirt from the green corset. But I don't know, I'm gonna put it in the donate pile. This is a sweat towel from my college. I'm just gonna throw this out. It's a corset I got one time. I'm gonna donate this too. This is just some piece of fabric. I'm just gonna throw this out. This was from my high school graduation. I need to keep this somewhere. I don't know, but I need to keep this. This is from when I turned 21. I didn't end up wearing it because I felt embarrassed. I'm gonna just throw this out. So my motto is like Marie Kondo. If I find no happiness in it, I need to throw it out. So that is my motto right now. This is my sketchbook from my art class that I only used a couple pages. And I just took notes in this book for class because I didn't have a notebook. But yo, my notes are good. This is a good notebook. I'll keep it. I just hate that it takes up space, you know. Oh, look at this baby picture of me. Of course I gotta keep that. These are just like, oh, this is Michaela's graduation photo and this is my high school graduation photo. Okay, keep that, put that somewhere, I don't know where. This is from my vision board. Throw it out. Trash. This goes with a mic. Where's that mic? Right here. This one. Will I ever need this? No. Trash. I made this one time because I was trying to make a bag. Trash. The bag came out trash. This is a shower cap. I need this. This microphone was from a PlayStation game, a karaoke game actually, from like the early 2000s. Does it work? No. Why do I still have it? I don't know. It's going in the trash. These gloves and these corsets for my Halloween costume. I don't even know what to do with this. Should I donate? Should I keep it? Donate, right? Yeah. This is Cody Simpson. I used to really like him. He was one of my favorite artists, but what am I gonna do with this? Close out. This is a robe for one of my thingies, but I'm just put this away. And then I found the thing for the iPad, right? The box of the iPad. And I open it and there's mad trash inside. This is from the Bad Bunny concert. I'm gonna throw this out because I don't really need it. So I was left with a couple of things, but I threw out a lot. So let's see how it looks now. Are y'all kidding me? Look how empty it is now. I don't have anything else to put in there. What? I just know there's no way I threw all that stuff out. What? Well, I gotta put this case here. On top of here. I guess I can keep my cap here because there's nowhere else to put it. I don't know if I want to throw it out though. Cause I mean, it's like my high school graduation cap, but also, what am I gonna do with this? I don't know. That's for another episode. Yeah, okay. This is how it looks like now. I'm gonna insert a clip of the before. This is the after right now. That's a little insane to me. So I have 4 drawers. No, 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them filled with so much stuff. And then I have these filled with so much stuff. And I have this filled with like, oh my god. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. So Pepto-Bismol, it's a good thing to have. When does this expire? 2025, so I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this in my first aid kit. Okay. So I got these on Amazon to help me, yeah, there's this digital camera. I might use it, you know? I gotta put the charge though. I don't know where the charger is at. No product of my, it's like general stuff I need drawer. This will go away once Christmas is done, you know. That's just to wrap presents and yep. you go. We're going to skip the makeup drawer because I want to do like a separate clean out my makeup drawer with me, like organize my makeup stuff. So we're gonna go into my third drawer. This is where all my nail stuff this is where all my nail stuff are. This is where they live. I have a bunch of these stuff, but let's just organize. Take it all out. This one didn't take me that much time. I literally just, a lot of the stuff I'm gonna give away to my niece. Like I'm gonna give away those lashes and these nail stuff to her because she likes to do her nails, and also like this stuff. And that's it. Nail drawer done. Now this drawer is a big mess because there's a lot of like random stuff in here. Like this book, one of my first ever books I've like really liked. I was like 9 years old when I read this book. Oh, look how cute my French notes were. Look, I made it so cute. Done. Now time for the lower one. This one's messy because this one has a lot of stuff that like even I don't even know what the heck is in here. So in this drawer, I guess I'm gonna put all my arts and crafts stuff right here, and also like my old like birthday cards that I have because I still keep all of them. I'm going to get a memory box. I'm gonna put all of them here because look, this is from Melissa. This is from Melissa. This one's from Michaela. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I feel like my room looks the same. It doesn't look that much decluttered, but if we look inside the cabinets, they are for sure decluttered. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. So, first of all, this one, it's way less decluttered than last time. Sorry. This one, bro, this one is like bare, almost empty. This one as well, a big difference. And this one was a mess, and it looks way better now. So that took a while, so we're gonna continue this series, and we're gonna do the closet. This area down here under my desk, because this area, yeah, I don't even wanna. Okay, so no. closet is gonna be a separate video. This area down here outside my desk, and also like my book rolly thingy, and then my bookshelves, want to declutter that as well, and then we'll be done. So that's 2 separate videos. So 2 more videos. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the decluttering process with me. It was kind of a bit nerve-wracking, and also having to record 2 at the same time also makes me more anxious about it. I don't know why. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.